Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would be doing a video on how I edit my thumbnails. This video is not only for YouTubers but also the people who are interested in how I make my thumbnails. So let's get on with the video. So here I will be screen recording. As you can see, I have a folder that is thumbnail. These are the only apps I use for thumbnails, so yeah. Lightroom, Fonto, Pixar, and in Lightroom I have this amazing photo that is my previous video I had. So here what I did was I just, like do this or do the curves. You can do the curves also, but I don't do that. It's just not thing. Like do like that and that. But I do not do that. I only like to use the things that I can use because I can do exposure, I can do contrast. Contrast is also nice. And highlights, a little bit of that, and I'm like, just basically playing with those features.
Yeah. Tinting it, but I don't want to tint it. You can also do this. Like take up the light shadow effect. That's what I'm
these are the presets, but I didn't buy it. You can also buy presets, but I don't buy it. I don't want to buy it. So here I did it, and I will click on this, and I will save it to my device. Once I save it to my device, it will be in my device. Then I go to Fonto. This is what we have going on. Here I will write 8 apps that you should download. Now you can see it's not like showing it. It's not even showing it properly. But we're gonna fix that. You can also do the birth of this. The strokes. The stroke is my favorite. The shadow, you can blow it down. You can make it good. You can do this, but I don't like to do that. Spacing, I like to space it down because that's much better when you space it down. But now you can see it's not gonna fit, so I'm gonna decrease the size. Now you can see, okay, it's not fitting. Okay, good. Now it is fitting. You can also, like people, they curve it. This is how they curve it. You can go like this and you can curve it. Like this. Oh my god, that's so pretty though. Usually I don't do that. Yes. So I have fonts, like downloaded fonts, which I downloaded from thefont.com. So you can also visit that site. It's amazing. And these are the fonts that are given in Fonto. Keep on Trucking font is a very famous font for YouTubers. I don't know. Lemon Milk font, medium italic, lemon milk regular, short line script bold. That's what I use. And then you can simply again download it into your device as a JPEG. Now I go to Pixar. Yay! And here we go, and we found it. Now usually we go to fit, and in fit it will tell you the ratio of our YouTube. Right here you can, here you can also add stickers right over here. That's what I did for my thumbnail last time. You can add the dual angle sign because that's what I mentioned in my video. Oh, that's so funny. You can see that I'm pointing it to it, so that's how I do like this. So here we are almost done, but I also added the stars, and this is how I did it. Now you might be thinking, oh no, it's gonna come on your face, but hey, I can also erase it like this. So kind of our thumbnail is done and it's ready to go. So I will click the tick mark and you can save it in your gallery. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then like this video and subscribe. Hope you have learned how to make a thumbnail. So, bye!